It is coming down. We're sitting out here under the carport. Just got through putting the last bit of hay that we're going to put on the potatoes. All we can do now is hope that it works. The rain just kind of slacked up. Oh, here it's coming in like waves. Huh?
They have deep freezers around.
Yeah, we moved got all the freezers put in one spot, cleaned them out. We're under a tornado warning. So, it's not good to be in a tornado with two awnings and an RV. So if we hear a train, we're going to jump in that F-250 and haul butt. Go across the street to the house over there. Hopefully they'll let us in. Well, you can see the wind. The trees are blowing pretty good. You can hear them. All right, guys. See y'all Saturday night. And we got a special tomorrow. Y'all will see what we're gonna do. All right, guys, y'all take it easy, and remember, we don't dial 911.
Go on the other side.
Oh, they can read backwards. I can read it backwards.
Keep showing my damn license plate.
That's my license plate.
That's my license plate. Yours over there.
If anybody wants to find us, I don't think it'd be very hard to do.
We left that on our trees, our little sticks. I saw some leaves coming off of them.
Oh, let's go do that. Yeah, remember when we took all the
inside the house.
The clippings?
I saw two of them had little green leaves.
From the, I ain't going over there. It's pouring. I'll have to wait. We'll have to do an update later. Huh?
You just have to believe me.
Yeah, they're starting to grow. Those clippings we took from the elderberry and the... Oh, y'all like my new haircut? The mean look. Hey, you give them the mean look. Alright guys, y'all take it easy. See y'all tomorrow night. 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bye.